We are on the cusp of what could be the most changing revolution ever. AI could disrupt almost all facets of life, and so we're going to go through what could be the biggest shifts in how our society runs. We have to slow down and think about what we're actually getting into. We gotta understand the kind of world we're approaching. So obviously in our AI journey, we have to start at the present. Right now, AI has hit a new milestone with Chat-GPT. Now, there's a good chance you've probably heard about it, but if you haven't, well, it's only the most advanced language generating AI on the planet. It can generate essays, books, scripts, YouTube title ideas, code. Heck, it can even create other AIs. So people have been absolutely blown away by Chat-GPT, but that's just the beginning. AI is only going to get better and more powerful. See, with us humans, we take time to learn and improve. Humans were around for thousands of years before electricity was invented, but an AI can quickly master any task it's set at because it can go through millions of generations, have 1,000 lifetimes worth of experience in the matter of a couple of minutes. Now, the most impactful and frankly exciting kinds of AI are generalized intelligence ones. The main purpose of them is to imitate humans, solve human problems, and generate human-like content. So the better an AI can imitate humans, the closer it's getting to generalized intelligence. Now, we aren't there yet, but in the next couple of decades, we very well could be. So next in our journey of what AI could do, we're going to look at content creation, whether it's videos, music, articles, art, anything that is a piece of creative work that's generated. Because we're getting to the point where content could be more automated and fine-tuned than ever. Right now, we already have text generation, and we're just getting into artwork generation with tools such as Midjourney and DALLE. But think about how much that technology could progress in just 10 years. In the future, there could be an image generator that could generate any stock photo you ever wanted. There's even basic video generating AI right now. Now, when I say basic, I mean basic. But in the future, there could be AI that could generate whole informative videos at just the press of a button. Music is also going to be disrupted too. Right now, there is AI that can generate somewhat listenable music. But imagine there's a new AI trained on everything we know about the expression of music and notes. AI-generated songs could become indistinguishable from humans. So what does this all do to creativity? Well, AI would make us lazy. Why spend all that time and effort writing song lyrics or editing a video when you can just generate one that's probably going to be better than anything you could ever have come up with? Or here's another more disturbing question. If AI can generate videos that are optimized to keep people's eyeballs on them and to get as many views as possible, think what kind of videos would they make? More factual and less extreme content, or the hottest take and most divisive content? The AI tools will make it a whole lot harder to differentiate between what's true and what isn't. And if the AI can generate videos, it could generate videos of politicians saying something. Even right now, we have technology capable of generating deepfakes that are pretty convincing if you casually glance at them. But imagine how much more convincing they could be in 10 years' time. Would we even be able to tell the difference? Now, let's move on to some more interesting scenarios. For example, what about the court system? Chat-GPT can already generate decent arguments for different topics, so what's to stop it from being used in court? In fact, in mid-February, the first court case with an AI defense lawyer is going to take place. The tool tells the defendant what to say in real time in order to give the best defense. Now, the court case the AI is being used for is just a simple traffic ticket case. But what about in the future once AI gets more powerful? Would we want an AI prosecutor to have the ability to put someone away for life? Okay, we gotta zoom out because we still haven't answered the biggest question that most people have. Will AI ever become sentient, or in other words, alive? And if it does, would it even want to let us know? Well, first of all, it's hard to actually determine what a sentient AI is, because are we teaching AI to learn and become aware, or just to imitate? Chat-GPT can imitate human behavior and output human-like responses, but does it make it self-aware? What if a version of Chat-GPT far along the line could convince a human that it was self-aware? Would we even be able to tell if it was actually that or just imitating? And if it was just imitating and we couldn't tell, would it even matter? Also, would they be able to have original thoughts? As cool as Chat-GPT is, it can't come up with original ideas. It outputs stuff that gives the appearance of originality when in fact it's just generating responses based on the information it was trained on. AI can't just have a sudden spark of creativity, but one could argue that humans are kind of like that too. We're always thinking about something in relation to something else. We can never come up with a truly standalone idea without prior knowledge. For example, did Van Gogh just all of a sudden wake up and start painting? No, he had to learn how to paint, and he probably looked at many other paintings before he started making his own works. So in a way, AI could be even more creative than us humans because it has all of our ideas to be trained on. Now, disclaimer, it might not be as powerful as humans right now, but it's only a matter of time before it takes over more of the world. Now, people are already scared enough that AI is going to take over the world, but there's actually another technology that governments want to use to control you more, and it's similar to crypto except it's completely controlled by the state. You can watch that video right here.